Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Olaku channel. We are going to know few new tips about Visual Studio 2022. The new Visual Studio looks more intelligent than before. Now I am going to create an interface. You could see the suggestions once I created that one. It gives it's a person has a name, so it gave the suggestion. I change it to int, then it gives ID, then it gives the next suggestion as a name. Now I'm going to create a new class. It gives a person as a suggestion. I changed it to student. Then it gives the I person can be implement. Then you could see the lot of suggestion. So finally, I would like to emphasize here the Visual Studio looks more intelligent than before nowadays. Now I have added one more property called age in the interface section. You could notice that I implemented the public property in the interface, so it didn't consider that property. It gives a different data type suggestion. Now I changed it to I removed that public. Now I'm adding one more item. It is a student class, but I don't want keep this in the class. I want to make it in a parent class. So I selected that suggestion. Now it created a new class and it implemented properly. It means it's an inheritance and all those things done properly. Now I created a override method. I'm adding the breakpoint here. You could see the lot of things. The new addition is a one time hit. In left side you could see that lot of inheritance everything. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.